Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks were mostly higher on Monday as the first quarter of the calendar year ends and earnings season looms. The Hang Seng Index rose 0.28%, while the Shanghai Composite gained 0.08% and the Nikkei 225 edged up 0.7% in the morning trade. Still, Japanese stocks were on the track for their worst quarter in nearly 2 years. Last week, US stock uploaded solid consumer spending numbers on Friday, though equities trimmed gains when investors sold and jumped to the sidelines to brace for the first quarter earnings to begin publishing in April. At the close of US trading, the Dow 30 rose 0.36%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.46%, while the Nasdaq rose 0.11%. Monday will mark the last trading day of the quarter. In Japan, February industrial output posted the first drop in 3 months, down 2.3%, far below the 0.3% month-on-month gain expected, with the decline blamed on severe winter weather. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 102.87, up 0.04% after the data. The Australian dollar gave up early gains despite expected growth in private sector credit on Monday, and a private sector survey showed inflation expectations edging up to the higher end of the RBA's inflation band. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.9235, down 0.14% after February private sector credit rose 0.4%, in line with the expectations, and the TD Melbourne Institute inflation gauge for March rose 0.2% month-on-month for trimmed mean annual pace of 2.7%. Retail sales in Germany will kick off Monday's trading day in Europe, followed by an update on consumer credit in the UK. UK consumer credit 8:30 GMT. Consumer spending remains a critical driver for the UK's recovery, as last week's better-than-expected report on retail sales for February reminds. We may see a substantial rise in today's monthly update on consumer credit from the Bank of England. Credit card debt has been stuck in a range for much of the past year, with a ceiling about GBP 300 million to GBP 320 million. A breakout about that level in today's February release would be taken as another signal that consumer spending will continue to rise in the months ahead. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.